how to solve no module name Markupsafe. So in my case, I was just trying to use Ansible. Well, in this system is not installed, so I was installing on this system, and I was pretty surprised by the outcome. So what I did, I was recently updated to the Python 3.12 on this machine, and I was really surprised when after installing Ansible I ended up with this nasty error that looked like the library is not available, but I wasn't changing anything on my system. What I realized is that Ansible is heavily relying on this library for the execution, and was not installed on Python 12. It was still installed on my Python 3.11. So I have two choices: downgrade my system to Python 3.11 or reinstall everything to use on Python 3.12. So this is the error. Typing Ansible, I got this error: no module named Markupsafe. And this error drove me crazy because I was not able to understand the meaning. But after a few searches, I realized that Homebrew, the package manager of my macOS, has one formula about the Python Markupsafe module. What I did, I was just try to remove this library and reinstalling on the correct Python version. Oh well, Ansible and Ansible-Lint are two packages that actually depend from this library. So what I need to do is actually removing everything and installing everything. Is going to take some time, as you can see, because there is a lot of small file, and well, we're talking about half a gigabyte, and then reinstalling everything using the Homebrew package manager. So what it's doing underneath is actually linking the Python Markupsafe library with my Python 3.12 that I just upgraded. And now I just reinstalled all the stack, so the library, the Ansible and Ansible-Lint, and this time when I execute Ansible, I don't get the nasty error, whereas I got this behavior that is exactly what I was expecting. So if you ended up with this error, no module name Markupsafe, just simply reinstall Python Markupsafe, Ansible and Ansible-Lint, and everything will work. You can check it out very easy using the Python 3.12 and try to import the Markupsafe. As you can see, there is no error, which means the import was successful. So cool, now my system is ready to take advantage of the newest version of Python 3.12 with Ansible latest edition. As you can see in this Ansible -- version, we are using the Python 3.12 interpreter. So cool, now I solved the problem and the sky is the limit. I can't wait to execute my Ansible playbook in my newest system. Yay, I'm so excited, I have so many tasks to complete. Yay!